My name is Ivy Janzen. I'm a freshman and I'm a nursing major at Scholastica. I'm also the Backcountry Saints coordinator. We're out here today dog sledding. Today we're just doing a day trip and it's really awesome because this time I got to go with some more of my friends who haven't been before. Yeah, and I just had no idea that Scholastica even had these opportunities, you know, that I could just go dog sledding on a Sunday morning.
Here are called the runners, and it's this wooden piece that goes all the way up to the front.
I'm Lily and I'm a junior studying English at St. Scholastica. My favorite part so far has been the mushing. That's been really cool to be able to learn about and just to experience. I've had a really amazing time. It's been so incredible to be able to have this opportunity, dog sledding.
Outdoor Pursuit has definitely afforded me all these new experiences I never thought I would have in college. Through the Outdoor Pursuit program, I've gotten to go on a ton of new adventures that I thought were really scary. You know, afterwards, it's sometimes that type 2 kind of fun where you're like, oh, that was really hard, but you're like all the better for having that experience.